Hello children, this is your Amrapal MS. Welcome you all on Maths Train. Our today's topic is Roman numerals. Students, you know very well the Hindu-Arabic numeration system. This system uses 10 digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 to write any other numeral. The Roman had 7 basic symbols to write any number. These 7 symbols are I, V, X, L, C, D and M. The Roman numerals with their corresponding Hindu-Arabic numerals are as follows. I for 1, V for 5, X for 10, L for 50, C 100, D for 500 and M for 1000. These basic Roman symbols are combined in a specific manner to form other Roman numerals. The following rules are used to write the numbers in Roman system. Our first rule is when a Roman numeral is repeated more than once, we add its value each time to get the number. It means when we write I for 1, then for 2 we can write double I, and for 3 we can write triple I, but we cannot write 4 times I for 4. While writing the correct Roman numerals, we need to note down some points. The same symbol is not repeated more than 3 times together. The symbols V, L and D are never repeated. The symbols I, X, C and M are repeated symbols. There is no symbol for 0 in the Roman system. Symbols I, V, X are used to write Roman numerals up to 39. Now, let's have a look for the next rule. When a smaller Roman numeral is written to the left of a greater Roman numeral, it is always subtracted from the value of a greater numeral. For example, if I want to write the next number 4 in Roman numeral, then I need to write IV. I stands for 1 and V stands for 5. As I is written on the left of the greater Roman numeral V, we will subtract 1 from 5. We will get 4. Next example for 9. IX stands for 9. That means 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. While following this rule, we need to note down that the symbol I can be subtracted only once, and the second point is the symbols V, L and D are never subtracted. Now we can write the Roman numeral from 1 to 5. For 6 onwards, we need to follow the next rule. When a smaller Roman numeral is written to the right of a greater Roman numeral, the value of a greater Roman numeral is added to the smaller numeral. It means for writing 6, we can write VI. V stands for 5 and I stands for 1, and as I is written on the right of V, 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Same way we can write for 7 VII and for 8 V triple I. And now the last rule. When a smaller Roman numeral is placed between two greater Roman numerals, its value is subtracted from the value of the greater numeral on its right. For example, 19 we will write XIX. The smaller Roman numeral I is written between the two Roman numeral X. Let's see how to write the Roman numeral for the given Hindu-Arabic numerals. For example, 267. The expanded form of 267 is 200 plus 60 plus 7. 200 we can write double C. For 60 we can write LX, and for 7 we can write VII. So the Roman numeral for 267 is CCLXVII. Now let's see how to convert the Roman numeral into Hindu Arabic numerals. For example, CV. For converting it into Hindu Arabic numerals, we need to apply all the rules. CV, C stands for 100 and V stands for 5. As the smaller Roman numeral is written on the right of C, we need to add. So CV is equal to 100 plus 5, that is equal to 105. The same way we can convert triple X V triple I. X stands for 10, so triple X that is equal to 30. V stands for 5 and triple I stands for 3. So 30 plus 5 plus 3 that is equal to 38. Now let's learn which one Roman symbols are meaningful and which one are meaningless. For that we need to apply all the rules. For example, VV. The symbol V cannot be repeated, so VV is meaningless. Our next question about the Roman numerals: fill in the boxes by using less than, greater than or equal to symbols to make a correct sentences. X double I blank 13. X double I that is equal to 12, and 12 is less than 13, so X double I is less than 13. Same way CIV and XC. When we are going to compare it, we need to convert it first into Hindu Arabic. CIV stands for 104 and XC stands for 90. As 104 is greater than 90, so we will write CIV greater than XC. I hope all of you can understand this and can solve the problem. Thank you for watching my video. Like, share, subscribe, comment.